Basic Safety Training. BST. BST certification, core competencies every seafarer must master before sailing. Course Overview. Comprehensive Program. Basic safety training provides essential skills in hazard recognition, emergency response, and proper equipment use to ensure workplace safety. This course empowers individuals to handle hazardous situations effectively, fostering a secure environment for everyone. Target audience. This training is essential for employees in high-risk sectors like construction and healthcare, as well as the managers and emergency responders. It is also highly recommended for volunteers and any individuals working in potentially hazardous environments. Accreditations. Conducted under guidelines laid down in Regulation A6/1-1, A6/1-2, A6/13, A6/1-4 of the STCW Convention and Code 1978 as amended, as per Liberia Maritime Authority, related to basic safety training vide Resolution MSC.560, 108. Personal Survival and Firefighting. Personal Survival Techniques, PST. Emergency Types, Collision, Fire, Foundering. Life-saving appliances and survival craft equipment. Survival principles, drills and protective gear. Fire prevention and fire fighting, FPFF. Shipboard firefighting organization. Fire appliance locations and escape routes. Elements of fire, the fire triangle. Fire fighting and first aid. FPFF, continued. Fire science and detection. Ignition sources, flammable materials and fire spread. Detection systems and automatic alarms. Fire classification and correct extinguishing agents. Elementary first aid, EFA. Casualty response. Casualty assessment and personal safety awareness. Body structure and basic functions. Resuscitation, bleeding control and emergency handling. Personal safety and social responsibility. Emergency preparedness. Contingency plans, muster stations and alarm signals. Crew duties per muster list, correct use of safety equipment. Action on discovering fire, collision, flooding or foundering. Environmental responsibility. Shipping's environmental impact and pollution prevention. Operational and accidental pollution procedures. Knowledge of the marine environment's complexity. Safe working and communication. Safe working practices, always adhered to. Effective onboard communication and alarm systems. Positive human relationships and team culture aboard ship. Course curriculum. Personal survival techniques, PST. Types of emergency situations which may occur, such as collision, fire, foundering. Types of life-saving appliances normally carried on ships. Equipment and survival craft location of personal life-saving appliances. Principles concerning survival, including training and drills, personal protective clothing and equipment etc. Fire prevention and fire fighting, FPFF. Shipboard firefighting organization. Location of firefighting appliances and emergency escape routes. The elements of fire and explosion, the fire triangle. Types and sources of ignition, flammable materials, fire hazards and spread of fire. Fire and smoke detection and automatic alarm systems. Classification of fire and applicable extinguishing agents. Elementary first aid, EFA. Assessment of needs of casualties and threats to own safety. Appreciation of body structure and functions. Immediate measures to be taken in cases of emergency, including the ability to handle casualty, apply resuscitation, control bleeding etc. Personal safety and social responsibility, PSSR. Types of emergency which may occur, such as collision, fire, foundering. Knowledge of shipboard contingency plans for response to emergencies. Emergency signals and specific duties allocated to crew members in the muster list, muster stations, correct use of personal safety equipment. Action to take on discovering potential emergency, including fire, collision, foundering and ingress of water. Action to take on hearing emergency alarm signals. Value of training and drills: knowledge of escape routes and internal communication and alarm systems. Basic understanding of shipping's environmental impact and effect of operational and accidental pollution. Basic environmental protection procedures. Basic knowledge of complexity and diversity of the marine environment. Importance of adhering to safe working practices at all times. Effective communications on board ship and its importance. Importance of maintaining good human and working relationships aboard ship.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.